What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now I am sitting in a A45s. Now this A45s belongs to Drive with Law on Instagram, also known as Lucas. He came on the Germany trip with us last year. Now I asked him last year if we could make a video on this car. He said yes, let's do it. I could not for the life of me get around to making this video, but now I have. I'm excited, the moment is here. So yeah, join me on this experience. This is crazy. I am going to immediately put it in S plus. This car is naughty! It's literally, oh my god. S plus is ridiculous. This is rushed, yeah? But doesn't mean we can't enjoy it though, mate. Sweet. I just sent it, yeah, in S, and honestly my first impressions of this car, it's very responsive. I didn't think, do you know what, I know it's fast, but I didn't think it'd be that responsive. Oh my god! Let me just explain to you what's going on. I have decided now I'm going to start doing reviews. Bear with me as this review was so rushed. Honestly, it's giving me anxiety. But anyway, we are in the dealership where this car is being handed over. A new vehicle will be replacing this absolute machine today. The driving shots were, look, the hill that we was on, the wind, the cars coming, the limited time. I've done the best that I could, but one thing I will promise you is that the new vehicle, once that is out, and a review is scheduled correctly for this vehicle, then that review will be done at a later date properly. This is Alan, by the way. Alan Mills will be with me moving forward to get this content. As you can see, he's got a bad boy camera in his hand, bad boy lens. But yeah, the drama that we just experienced trying to get a review on this car. I like to do vlog style videos, so I'm not just going to leave you out of the loop and not let you know what we've actually had to just experience. But enough of the chit chat. Let's get back to the beautiful cockpit and interior of this A45s. So we are at Mercedes in Brighton. The A45s has been handed over and the replacement is currently sitting in front of me. And trust me when I say this is actually my dream car. The red calipers, the red interior, this is an absolute dream. Is this the new spec? Because it looks facelift and the back rear diffuser. First one. No, this is something different. Latest version of the E63S, and when I tell you, this car is something else. In a second, I'm going to give you a chance just to look at this car with me. I'm going to show you guys now exactly what I'm so gassed about. This car, can you see it? See this thing behind me? Absolute beast. Like, it's giving me goosebumps just hearing it. Oh my God. So there you have it, C63S. No, I'm not going to review this in the same video. Check the next video to see a full review of this absolute beast when I've got more time to do everything that my heart desires. Like, this is actually my dream car. So once again, thanks to Drive with Law. Leave his link in the description. Please go and give him some massive love, because he has given me the opportunity to be here and experience what it's like to acquire something of this magnitude. Is that them word plays there? No, look, I'm gonna cut the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this car, the color combination, and yeah, look forward to seeing the review. Peace.
This is going to go in the bloopers.
Where's the start button?
This one's on the right.
Oh my God! You got it, yeah?
You only told to get that. Start button.